Good day, all. I am Dr. T. ARUNMOZHI, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Commerce, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. I welcome you all for the presentation on In-Issue Management, Selecting a Public Issue. This is for the subject Merchant Banking and Financial Services. It is based on the curriculum of all universities on the subjects. Before selecting a public issue proposal, the merchant banker has to keep in mind the following aspects. First, the background of the promoters or the management. The success of a company is very much dependent on the background of the promoters and the management, that is, education, business or technical expertise, the financial strength capability, reputation, issue management, etc. If a new company is launched from the platform of an already existing company group having successful track record, it is well received in the market. Performance of the group associate concerns or the holding company against the promises made by them at the time of their public issues is also called into seriously by the prospective investors. If the group or associate concerns are financially strong enough, they can also lend support to the public offering. Another important aspect which should be considered by the merchant banker before picking a public issue proposal is to see whether there is any pending litigation, defaults, and disputes of the promoters for the company with any person, bank, or institution. Company profile. Merchant banker also has to look at the track record of the company and the quality of its management, industry in which it operates, product mix of the company, and business prospects of the product proposed to manufacture. He also needs to decide the profitability of the product and sustainability of the project. Financial health also has to be gauged by probing the existing capital structure, debt equity ratio, level of gearing, nature and extent of various resources or provisions, etc. The project profile. It is also considered whether the project is appraised by a financial institution, whether there is a participation of institutions in the financing of the project, if any, and the level of financial participation of the institution. Appraisal and funding of project by an institution also certifies the viability of the project to an extent. Capital market position. If the group associate concerns are already listed in stock exchanges, the pattern of their share price movement should be analyzed. Trading behavior of shares of leading companies in the similar field should be compared with the share quotations of the group concerned companies to see the stability in share quotations. Other important factors are which influence selection of a project include outlook of the investors generally towards other companies operating in similar industries which are already listed and towards a group in particular. Investors' response to previous public issues of similar companies will also have a bearing on the decisions to come out with a public issue. Dividend payment schedule of a company and its associate concerns should also be considered. From the point of view of merchant banker, the cost-benefit analysis is also important before accepting assignment of issue management. So these are the simple concepts before selecting of a public issue. Hope you would understood. Any doubts you can clarify it. Thank you. We would meet in the next video relating to issue management. Thank you.